In this video, I'll detail how to fix AirPods microphone not working. So either your right AirPods microphone or left AirPod microphone is not working, then this video is going to show you how to fix this. So this works on all the AirPods, whether you're using AirPods, AirPod Pro 2, or the second generation, third generation of the AirPods. Then this video is going to walk you through how to fix this step by step. So if I download this video, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do when you want to fix AirPods Pro microphone not working is you first want to connect your AirPods and your iPhone together like this. So make sure your AirPod is connected to your iPhone, and once your AirPod is connected to your iPhone, just drop your AirPod. Then go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, you see the name of your AirPod Pro. Then go ahead and click on that. Once you click on the name of the AirPod Pro, just scroll down. On that page, just keep scrolling and come to microphone. Then here, click on microphone. Here you have three options available here. If your right AirPods microphone is not working, then that shows you selected always left AirPod. And if the left AirPod microphone is not working, that shows you selected always right AirPod. However, to fix your microphone not working on AirPods Pro, you need to choose switch AirPods microphone automatically. Then once you selected this, whenever you eject any of the AirPods from the AirPod casing and put it into your ear, this is going to switch the AirPods microphone automatically. So this is the first thing you want to do when you want to fix AirPods Pro microphone not working. Then after that, hit the back button and you want to try other troubleshooting tips I'm about to share with you here. So if you've enjoyed this so far, please like and subscribe. Now, another thing you want to do when you're trying to fix your AirPods Pro microphone not working is first disconnect the AirPods Pro completely from your iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings. On settings page, scroll down, click on Bluetooth. Then locate the AirPods Pro whose microphone is not working, or whose right microphone or left microphone is working. Then tap on the information icon, scroll down to the bottom, click on Forget this device. Tap Forget device, then again tap Forget device. Then this is going to disconnect your iPhone and AirPods together. Then you can drop your iPhone. Go ahead and grab your AirPod Pro. On the AirPod Pro, turn to the back, locate the reset button, then press and hold it until you hear a beep. And once you hear a beep, wait for your AirPod Pro to reset to the default. This is going to reset your AirPod Pro to the default, and it's going to erase or remove all devices that are connected to your AirPod Pro. And after that, it's going to put your AirPod Pro in the pairing mode. Then go ahead, close your AirPod Pro. Take your iPhone again, unlock it, then open the AirPod Pro close to your iPhone just like this. Then hang on for your iPhone and your AirPod Pro to be connected together. And once you see a pop that says not your AirPod Pro, click on connect. Then turn to the back to put your AirPod Pro in pairing mode by pressing the button at the back. And the moment you hear a beep, you're going to see a flip on the AirPod Pro on your iPhone, then drop it. This is going to try to connect to the AirPod Pro on your iPhone, and once it is connected, you should see this interface. Then go ahead and click on continue. Then after that, you can just remove either of the AirPods Pro from the casing, and then go ahead, put it into your ear, whether you're going to hear the ear detection. And once you hear the ear detection from the AirPods Pro, that shows the AirPod is working. Then once connected, another thing you want to do is check the AirPod Pro volume level. To do this, there's a bezel function on the AirPod Pro here. So just swipe it up like this to increase the AirPod Pro volume. And once you do that, you should see the indication on your iPhone that you are trying to increase the AirPod Pro volume. You see that? So this could be the reason why the microphone seems not to be working, because you couldn't hear what the person at the other hand is saying, or the person at the other hand could not hear you because the volume level on your AirPod Pro is quite limited. So you see this? So I can just use this to increase the volume, or use this to decrease the volume. So once that is done, you can just put the AirPod Pro back into the casing and then go to your iPhone settings. On the settings, click on your AirPod Pro name. Then once you click on that, make sure here, under press and hold AirPods, select left control. Then here, make sure it is not set to Siri, because if you set to Siri, this is going to wake Siri when you press the percept function on your AirPod Pro, then select noise control. And then under noise control, make sure you select noise cancellation and transparency. This is let in external sound, and then this block out external sound. Then repeat the same thing on the right, select noise control, and that is it. So once you have all this in place, then your AirPod Pro microphone should be working. So that's all you need to do to fix AirPod Pro microphone not working. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.